Your data storage needs are always expanding, whether you're saving personal photos, videos, or music, or collecting essential business data and documents. You need a solution fast. But USB drives, they limit access to one person at a time and don't offer backup protection. Plus, as your data piles up, your drives do too. Literally. Cloud storage is more flexible, but is your sensitive information safe in someone else's server? It's slow to download, upload, and otherwise access files. Plus, there are monthly fees, which could go up at any moment. But with Synology NAS, you can master your data by building a private cloud. Reliable, scalable, accessible storage on equipment you own and control. Now, everyone can share files and collaborate effortlessly, on the go, regardless of where they are or what device they use, with complete control over exactly who sees your files and other data. So you can rest easy knowing that privacy is in your hands. With ransomware protection and data backup, your files are always protected, letting you turn back time for easy disaster recovery. And you don't need to worry about recurring fees or surprises. Plus, Synology's intuitive software is continuously evolving and getting better, so you can accomplish more, like streaming multimedia to your TV or smart devices, or surveilling your property when you're gone. Own your cloud and own your data. Go further and get mastery with Synology.